Okay, we're going to begin with question number 2, and this is using the average formula. So what does average mean? Basically, it's adding up all the numbers and then dividing by the amount of numbers. So we're looking for, the question reads, what is the average score on quiz 1? So I'm going to look for the column with quiz 1. I'm going to click in the cell below it, and on my home tab, I'm going to click on, in my editing group, the drop down, and you can see I have the average formula right there. Try that again. The average formula. So it's telling me that we're looking for the average of this range, which is C7 to C21. That is correct. So I can either use my check mark to hit my enter button, or I can use my enter button on my keyboard. And there is my average, 84.6.